Updated Willow Lake condo. Convenient floor plan featuring great room, den, eat-in kitchen, formal dining, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, enclosed porch, and storage room. Recent kitchen updates include stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and crown molding. Fresh paint, new light fixtures, and new plantation-style window blinds throughout. New laminate flooring in all rooms except bedrooms. Great room has corner gas fireplace. Master suite features 2 walk-in closets, linen closet, and attached bath with walk-in shower. Another full bath is located in the hall. Both baths have recent updates. Enclosed porch is heated/cooled. Access to storage room from enclosed porch. Laundry room includes utility closet, and mechanical closet. New roof 2020 and new water softener 2021. All new landscaping, landscape bricks, and patio fence. Enjoy the use of the community clubhouse, swimming pool, exercise room, library, and pond. Monthly dues are $170. One pet less than 40 pounds permitted.